Percentage of profit. Mr. Jackson purchases 4 200-foot lots at a cost of $60 per square foot. He divides these lots into 3 equal foot lots and sells them for $18,000 each. What would be his percentage of profit? So we have 4 lots. Each one of them measures about 200 feet. So the first thing we want to do is get the total square footage for all the combined 4 lots. So all we need to do is just multiply the 200 times 4, and we have 800 square footage of lot. And now the cost per square foot, as we can see in the problem here, word problem there in the sentence, that it's $60 per square foot. So now we just need to multiply that 800 times 60. And what we get there, the price for total footage would be $48,000. Now the next thing we're going to do now is find the selling price for the 3 lots. Well, Mr. Jackson took those lots and divided them into 3 equal parts and sold them for $18,000 each. So to find the total selling price, 18,000 times 3. Now we're not going to do times 4 because he divided them up into 3 lots. So 18,000 times 3. So that means that they sold for $54,000. That was the total gain there, or from selling the 3 lots. The next thing we're going to do is find the difference between the selling price and the actual cost per square footage of a lot. So remember, we had the other amount of the 48,000, and now we have the 54,000. We're going to subtract those two, and what we get is 6,000. And then lastly, so to find the percentage of profits, it's going to be a ratio where you're going to divide, and on top you're going to have the difference between these 2 prices, and on bottom we're going to have the cost. So 6,000 divided by 48,000. So if we do those calculations on the calculator, that's going to give us an approximate percentage of 12.5% once we move our decimal place over 2 places, which is choice B.